In this video, I will show you a real-life use case of the Gate Access Starter Kit in conjunction with an AI camera, license plate recognition, and gate opening. We will install access control on motorized gates, where we already have a UniFi AI Pro camera installed, as well as on the warehouse door. We'll be using only one hub. We're connecting the gates via buttons, and we'll use the open and close commands. Accordingly, we connect Gate Operator 1 contacts to open and Gate Operator 2 to close. In the Terminal Manager, we set up the corresponding actions: full open for Gate Operator 1 and full close for Gate Operator 2. We've installed an electric, fail-secure lock on the side door, so we'll connect it to the normally open and common contacts. After that, we connected the AI camera directly to one of the hub's ports. Now let's set up license plate unlock. We go into our gate settings, click on the camera image, and enable license plate unlock. The unlock zone suits me, so I won't change it. Next, we open the user settings and add a license plate. Apply settings. Let's check how everything works. As you can see, it works perfectly. If you're planning a large and complex project, get in touch with us. We have extensive experience in integrating technologies based on ubiquity equipment and custom solutions.